Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Wednesday the 9th of April. I'm going to look at cable now, and certainly cable had a strong move to the upside yesterday, a huge move that was actually the largest daily gain on cable since the what's the date there, 12th of February, and that came after the key manufacturing data for the UK came in strongly above expectations, and the cable chart has significantly taken out several key resistance levels. 66.84 was the high that it took out, and 67.16 also. It now has opened that 67.85 mark, and that just protects the 68.22 key high. The outlook still remains positive on cable, using this uptrend as the basis of support. It has pushed strongly higher, and what I would say is that you do have these momentum indicators nicely becoming increasingly positive now, but what tends to happen after such a strong move is you can quite often see a bit of consolidation that occurs there. So just watch out for that, maybe today or tomorrow. But at the moment, cable is just trading sideways. This is a longer term intraday outlook. That is the 85 mark there, and all this resistance got taken out yesterday. However, as I said, it could come under a little bit of profit taking pressure. I'll zoom in a little bit further here, and that could bring cable back towards this breakout high around 66.84, between 66.84 and 67, big figure. I think there's a bit of support band there, so you could see that occurring if you do see an unwinding of cable, because it has basically just gone sideways ever since that was the data release there. And ever since we've seen that, it's pretty much gone sideways. Not a great deal of movement at all in the Asian session or throughout the latter of the US trading either. So there seems to be a bit of uncertainty as to whether to continue to push on with this move, and that might induce a bit of profit taking. The intraday hourly momentum indicators are fairly, certainly strong, but overbought, and are beginning to drift lower now. So that could be a case where you could get an unwinding of this pattern back towards that 67 big figure mark. Is perfectly possible. I think on this cable chart, I wouldn't necessarily chase it higher, because this strong move, as I said, I think needs to unwind before it continues higher, for a retest possibly of those highs. But at the moment, it certainly is consolidating this move higher. But I think this is something that you just need to be bearing in mind if you're going to chase this higher, which, to be honest, with the strength of the momentum indicators, you could perfectly possible to see further tests of that 67.85 and 68.22 marks in due course. I think I would be more happier to wait for a bit of a consolidation back towards that 66.84 mark before pushing on with any sort of long orders. Anyway, that is my take on cable. The Fed meeting minutes could have an impact today, certainly if they come out less hawkish than the market originally got with the Janet Yellen press conference. That's at 7 o'clock this evening. If that happens, then you could see the cable continue to break higher. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.